Hello students, welcome back to your English class. My name is Anand Jagta. Today I am here to teach you the new poem of class 6 NCERT, that is Beauty by E.A. Shaw. There is a proverb in English, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So here see the poet is trying to tell us about the beauty around us. Everywhere there is beauty, but we should have that vision. Let us learn the poem Beauty. The first stanza: beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. So here the poet is telling us through the first stanza, the beauty can be seen. Where? Beauty can be seen in the sunlight. So here the poet is telling us we can see the beauty in sunlight. Then the trees, the birds, see around us. Every day we are seeing that sunlight is there, trees, many trees are there around us, birds are chirping and all. So if we have those eyes to see the beauty, so we can see the beauty where in sunlight, in the trees, the birds. Again further see the poet says, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. See here, corn, that crop we can say, when the crops are growing, in that also we can see the beauty, very nice. And people working or dancing for their harvest. Here see harvest means crop. So here poet is telling us we can see the beauty where people were working or dancing in their farm for what? Their harvest, for their crop. They are dancing, they are working for the harvest. So that is also, we can say, a kind of beauty. So there we can see. So here, in the first stanza, the poet is telling that we can see the beauty where in the sunlight, in the trees, in the birds, in corn growing, and people who are working and dancing for their harvest. So here it is all about the first stanza. Let us move to the next second stanza of the poem. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. So here see in the first stanza the poet said what? That beauty can be seen. But here see in second stanza, beauty can be heard too. So means it can be seen, the beauty can be seen and heard too. So here see how can we heard the beauty? In the night. Here in the first stanza, the poet says in the sunlight. So during day, in second stanza, beauty is heard in the night. Obviously in night we cannot see. We need light to see something. So here in the night we can heard the beauty. How can we heard? How can we heard the beauty seen? Wind sighing, that wind sound when sighing, when we are breathing, taking that breathe, when we are sighing, there we can heard beauty. Then rain falling, when there is rain, so that rain sound is there, pitter patter we can say that sound. So in that sound we can hear beauty. Or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Let me tell you the meaning of this word. Chanting means singing, earnest means seriously. So here see singer who is chanting anything, singing anything in earnest means seriously. Okay, earnest means seriously. So if the singer is singing about anything, but that must be seriously. So in that we can see the beauty. We can hear the beauty. So it is all about the second stanza. The poet says that beauty can be heard. Beauty can be heard where wind sighing we can say. Second, when rain is falling. Then singer who is singing or chanting anything seriously. So it is all about that the beauty can be heard. See the third stanza. After getting the knowledge that the beauty can be seen and and beauty can be heard. Now we will see that beauty can be seen or found in ourselves. So let us move to the third stanza, what the poet says. Beauty is yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So very beautifully here, the poet is telling us beauty is yourself. So you yourself, what beauty? We need to have those eyes to see our inner beauty. We are also having beauty. Good deeds. So how we can find the beauty in ourselves? See, good deeds. Deeds means here action. When we are doing some good work, good deeds, कुछ अच्छा काम करते हैं, so that is what? That is beauty. Here the poet is telling us. So we must do good deeds. Happy thoughts. We should have happy thoughts in our mind. So हमारे जो अच्छे विचार है, that is what? Beauty. That repeat themselves in your dreams. So you see the good deeds and happy thoughts which are repeating, coming again and again. We are recalling them where in our dreams. When we are just here, in our dreams means in our goals. जो हम टारगेट सेट करते हैं, अपने जीवन का जो टारगेट सेट करते हैं, that is what? Goal in dreams. So these good thoughts are coming again and again, being repeated again and again in our dreams. In our work. In your work means in our work. So when we are working for good, when we are doing something good to achieve our goal, so these good thoughts are, happy thoughts are coming again and again in our mind. And last line of the poem, and even in your rest. So when you are resting, in resting also we can find the beauty. So very nice poem, short but very sweet and meaningful poem. Here the poet is giving us a message about the beauty, that beauty can be seen, beauty can be heard, beauty is our self. So it is all about the poem beauty. Thank you very much.